Hi guys. How's your day? No, actually I'm gonna do an edit of how to build your Okay. Alright, so the frame starting off. The frame.
The frame.
Start the frame.
The frame.
Okay, the frame.
The
This is a Miracle Gargoyle. I heard people say it's not a good frame, but it's been doing good for me so far, so I'm okay with it. This right here, this is called a stem, if you don't know. And it's a Colt stem. And these are Shadow Conspiracy bolts for the stem. This is a Colt V2 high-rise bars. These are, I forget, the animal... Edwin grips, yes, thank you. And they've been stretched out. Okay, next thing starting off, straight tires.
Yeah.
They're kind of white, because I've been riding in the snow. I've been riding in the snow sometimes, so that's how it is. That's just a stock Miracle rim, sorry. And here is Colt forks, this gun too. Okay, here is the Colt seat. Here's the, under it is the animal seat post. It's blue, if you could see it on the camera. I have stock cranks. And I have Odyssey pedals. And I have a...
It says Odyssey. See that? Oh, no.
I have a Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket, sorry. And I have Shadow Conspiracy Blue Chain half link.
I wonder why that sprocket screams. Is it because it sees your face every day?
Shut up, man. Okay, and then I got the tan wall in the back. And then got the stock rim.
That tire's demolition momentum.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
That's how you roll. This is an Animal TWW. I just didn't feel like explaining that, but I just did, so.
Okay.
My hubs are stock.
Okay, hub sound.
Okay, you want to hear my hub sound? Because I do too. Okay. Ready? This is how it is. It's not loud.
It's louder than mine.
So, that's how it is, folks. And have a good, jolly day.
And that's my bike. Aha!